We also bring in team coverage with Michael Behrens, who's been tracking the system and has a different take or an additional take on the flooding potential as we go through the weekend into early on Sunday. Michael?
Yeah, that's right, Jerry. We've been watching the flood concern with this system, and it's been a while since we've had to deal with flooding here in central Ohio. So I want to get you up to date on some of the terminology. Well, first, we have a flood watch in place right now. That's going to be ahead of the flooding potential coming this weekend. When it comes to those flood alerts, there's several different types to be aware of. The first of those being a flood advisory. That's minor flooding, especially low-lying areas, not a major threat to life or property. From there, we get into the flood warnings. First, an aerial flood warning. That would be for just generalized areas not near rivers or other bodies of water. This is a major flood event with flooding taking place over 6 hours. A flash flood warning, on the other hand, is a much more violent and quickly occurring flood situation, which can take place very rapidly in less than 6 hours. And of course, if you're over near a river, well, those areas can flood too. River flood warnings could stay in place for days or weeks, depending on how much rain actually comes down.